back to my YouTube channel. My name is Mimansa, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So now without wasting time, let's start the video. So on the very first page I have written welcome to my sketchbook by Mimansa Singh. I started it in July 2021. Moving on to the next page, here I have found this design on Pinterest. I have written one good thing about music is when it hits you feel no pain. So I have uploaded a tutorial of this painting on my YouTube channel, and that was my very first video on YouTube on 4th July 2021. You guys must have seen the tutorials of these paintings on my YouTube channel. So here I was just practicing with watercolors, and I know it is not really good because of the darker shade in the background. So this one is one of my favorite paintings and it was really easy to do. Again I was just practicing with watercolors. So this is the portrait of Shraddha Kapoor. This portrait is of BTS V. This portrait is of Deepika Padukone. This is the portrait of Priyanka Chopra. This is one of my favorite paintings of Buddha. One of my favorite painting. Here I have just tried to paint this picture. This one I have done with a ball pen. So this is one of my favorite portrait. This is a portrait of BTS members. last page of the sketchbook. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.